This is Steve coming to you again today to talk about to teach Kiluba. Kiluba. Today we're talking about it's a proverb which is very popular down there in North Katanga. We have it's written. I would like to read to you. It's written Abe Mukokodyo udie ni kabemba muchi umo. Abe Mukokodyo udie ni kabemba muchi umo. This proverb means that you little bird, are you gonna be eating with your enemy, the auk? The auk is a big bird. Auk. So you little bird, are you gonna be eating with the auk in the same tree? So this means that this proverb is normally said in a case where the poor is. It just means that the poor and weak. Be careful when don't be too intimate with the rich and powerful. The danger is that you are too intimate with them, and they know more about you, and they also may tend to exploit you more. So that's definitely the proverb, what it means. So it said if you want to warn your friend who's probably doesn't have the same, is not very poor, doesn't have the same value with somebody else who's very rich and powerful, who's trying to exploit you, who may try to exploit you. So this proverb is mostly for those people, and you want to warn them, you say, Abe Mukokodyo, ujeni kabemba muchi umo. In other way, be careful, little bird. You can't eat the same table or in the same area, in the same tree with your enemy, the auk, the big bird, who have a tendency to eat you. So that's what we're studying today. Abe means you. Mukokodyo, little bird. Udie means you eat, or eat means udie. You eating or you eat. Ne kabemba, which is the auk. The auk or big bird. Is an animal of prey, or a bird which eats the little birds. And then we have a muchi umo. Muchi, I'm taking advantage of that to teach Kiluba immediately. Muchi means a tree. Umo means one. You remember what time we study umo? Umo, ibidi, isatu means 1, 2, 3. So I believe that most of you still you practice more and more the counting and the many words we studied before. So we're building on those words at the end of months. Many of you will be speaking Kiluba fluently, faster than anyone, even faster than those who claim themselves for knowing Kiluba and living down the North Katanga. So let's work hard and learn more about this language, which one of my best friend Kimba used to say it's a language of heaven. So see you soon. Shalapo, shalapo, shalapo.